If your braided bob looks bulky or the ends poke out, watch this. I will show you the tuck and seal method I use for lightweight finish. Let's get started. First thing first, we want to comb the hair and make our regular braid with the natural hair. For this style, you can use rubber band to hold the base, but I'm not a rubber band fan, although I use it. So next, we want to add extension from different sides, from the side left, then the top. The reason why we're doing this because we don't want to have bulky hair on just one side. So on different angles, we are going to take the extension and crochet it into the hair. So we're going to take a little braiding hair extension and wrap it. This ensures that the hair is not so bulky. So you wrap it like 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. This is the 3rd time. So after wrapping, we're going to tie it. But when tying it, you're going to tie it so that the knot is facing the back. You see what I'm doing now. So you're going to tie it, although in front, but you're going to position the knot towards the back like this. But it might be so tight, so you need to shift that a little to avoid tension. We don't want that. Now we're going to do the regular braid, divide into 3 sections and start braiding. But to have this neat look, you would ensure that the natural hair is inside the extension. So what you're basically doing is tucking the hair inside. This will give you very nice look. And you will notice that as long as the natural hair is covered, it will come out very neat like this. So next thing is to, when you get to your desired point, you're going to take a little section from the hair you're making like this. You just take a little section and use it to wrap the ends. So you're going to do it once or twice. I'm doing it twice. Then you tie. Remember, when you tie the hair, take the knots to the back to have this beautiful look. Okay. So next is to cut the hair. So you're going to cut the excess out, because we are going for a short jumbo braid. So you cut the long part, the remaining extension out like this. So after cutting the hair, we want to seal. Remember we said tuck and seal, so we are sealing it. You can use all sorts of this. I'm using a lighter. You can use a candle for it. I'm using a lighter so that you don't have this fat look at the base. Okay, so you melt it a little and press it together. Next thing is to accessorize it. Absolutely optional, but I like to do a little bit of accessories. So you accessorize it, but when you're doing the accessory placements, you keep it on top of the ends, good, like this. And here it is. This is the jumbo braid. Absolutely gorgeous. If you found this content helpful, give it a like. Let me know if you have any question, and subscribe for that weekly braided style and how to and hair care tips. Until I come your way next time, my name is Maris and this is Hairstyle Beauty. Do have a nice day. Bye.